Japanese-style eggs that will win over your taste buds. Turn your everyday breakfast into a culinary ritual. Crack 3 fresh eggs into a bowl. This will be your base. Add a splash of boiling water to give the mixture a slightly creamy texture. Grab your sushi chopsticks and whisk the eggs quickly in a circular motion until a light, airy foam forms. In a pan, bring water to a boil and place a metal round mold in the center. Set the bowl with the prepared eggs on top of the mold so they cook gently over steam. Skim off the foam from the surface for a silky, smooth texture. Cover with a plate or lid and steam for exactly 3 minutes, letting the heat slowly set the eggs. Then remove the bowl and score the eggs in a crisscross pattern to create small pockets for toppings. Add a dash of soy sauce for depth and umami, then drizzle with a spoonful of sesame oil for a subtle nutty aroma. Finally, sprinkle generously with freshly chopped chives. The result is creamy, velvety eggs with a rich flavor that transports you straight to Japan in every bite. Simple, yet surprisingly refined. Try it once, and regular eggs will never taste the same again.